Okay, we'll start with the next one. That is how you are going to gather the information which is needed. Is it clear? So the next step is to conduct the research needed. Is it clear? We have to conduct the research which is required. Is it clear? A personal investigation is usually appropriate. So what do you have to do here? If you want to do the research here, so already you have defined that a particular problem, already you have identified what are the factors are there, either it may be in any one of the three already which you have been discussed. Is it clear? So for that you have to gather the information here. Is it clear? So now for that what you have to do? You have to investigate personally. Is it clear? So that's why he is going to be say that a personal investigation is usually an appropriate one. Okay, now you have to conduct the research which is going to be needed to gather the information, that is which you have been seen it in the second one, that is the hypothesis for the problems which are requiring some of the solutions, that is the explanation or the solutions which is required. So for that what you have to do? You have to go for doing the research and then go on collecting the information. Is it clear? So a product problem, for example, might require gathering the information, reviewing the company production records. Is it clear? So this is the example here. Say for example, a product problem. There is one product, a problem which is related to the product. Is it clear? So what they have to do? How they have to collect the information about related to the product problem? So they have to collect the information and review the company production records. So company is having the production records, how many number of products they are manufacturing and all, what is the process of manufacturing, everything, every records they are having. So what you have to do? If you are analyzing related to a particular product problem, you have to go and analyze or collect the information which is related to the company product records. Next one, another one, if it is related to the sales. Okay, so now what you have to do? A problem which is related to the sales means you have to require a collecting information through the discussion with the customers and a salesperson. Is it clear? If your problem definition is related to sales, why the sales has been decreased in that particular area, what is the reason behind that? If you want to collect it, if you want to analyze it, if you want to know the reason, so you have to collect the information through the discussion with the customers and the salespersons or marketing representatives which have been appointed in that area. Okay, and if the problem is related to the computer, so what you have to do? You have to talk with both the end users and programmers. Is it clear? So this is relating that depending to the particular problem. Okay, you have to collect the information, or you have to start investigating or start investigation the particular the problem. So your problem might require talking to this is the above, that is a computer problem, might require talking to both end users and the programmers. Now here it is that how you are going to gather the information, what are the different ways to gather the information. So here the different ways here they have been listed here, that one is that you conduct the experiments or you conduct the surveys. Okay, through the experiments and surveys you are going to collect the information, or you visit the library. So in the library we are having a lot of books, research papers are there, documents are there, records are there. Is it clear? So you visit the library, then you try to collect information which is relevant to your problem. The next one is that you use the internet. The internet you are going to get many informations. Okay, many sources are available, but the quality of the information may be vary. The information which is relevant to your particular problem, is it clear? Only that information you refer it. And next, apply the research techniques whatever you have been already done to need for the problem. Is it clear? So this is that how you are going to gather the information whatever is going to be needed. The next one is that how you are going to organize the report information. Is it clear? So after you know what your findings mean, okay, you are now ready to construct the outline. Is it clear? Now you have got some explanation, you have got some solution. Is it clear? Now you have to put it into some specific format. Is it clear? How you are going to put it into that specific format? When you have finished interpreting your information, when you have finished analyzing your information, whatever you have gathered or the collected, okay, you know the message of your report. Now you know that what information we have to put it into the report, because report plays a very important role. People are going to be refer your report. They want to understand the reason for that particular problem. Is it clear? Now it is your duty to put that information in a specific format, in an orderly format. Is it clear? So that others should understand very easily. Okay, all the problems should be defined clearly, and the solution and explanation for that particular problem should be explained clearly. Is it clear? So now you are ready to organize your particular message either for the presentation or for preparing the report. Is it clear? So your goal here is to present the information in order. So in which order? The order that communicates best to your readers. In that way you have to present all the information in a particular order. So for that, okay, organizing the report message, of course, is the procedure of constructing the outline. How you have to organize your report message. Is it clear? So this is one procedure you have to follow, that is nothing but constructing the outline of your report. Okay, now the question is that what is the outline? Outline is nothing but it is the plan for writing the task. Whatever the things you have been done, whatever the analysis you have done starting from the beginning. Is it clear? From the preliminary investigation, the next one is that identifying the factors, then you have collected the information about that. Okay, you have got some explanation or the solution about a particular problem. So all these things you have to put it into the specific orderly manner. Is it clear? So this is nothing but the plan for writing the task that follows. The outline should usually be written. This is the plan for writing the task that we people are following this outline for writing the report. Okay, they serve as the table of content and the options. How the outline is going to serve? Outline is nothing but it is going to be serve as the table of content. What are all the things you wanted to write into that particular report, in which format you wanted to write, which things should be present first, which things should be presented at the next level. All these things you have to prepare into the particular order. What are the main topics, what are the subtopics and other subtopics, everything you have to put it into the particular order. So that is nothing but a table of contents and options. In constructing your outline, you probably will use either the conventional method or the decimal symbol to mark the labels. Two methods are there for representing your outline. One is the conventional method or another one is the decimal symbol. Is it clear? So here we are going to see the first one, that is a conventional system. In the conventional system we are going to use the Roman numericals to show the major headings here. See here, first level heading is going to be represented with the Roman number. Okay, and letters of the alphabet and Arabic numbers to show the lesser headings. So next other level headings for you are going to use the letters of the alphabets and you are going to use some Arabic numbers. So here is an example I have given. First level heading is written with the uh, Roman number. Second level heading is written with the letters of the alphabet. Third level is written with the numbers here, Arabic numbers, and so on. You just see this particular format. This is what we call it as a conventional system, conventional way of writing the report. That is the conventional system, that is uses Roman numbers to show the major heading, letters of the alphabets and Arabic numbers to show the lesser headings. Next one here, the another one type of is that decimal symbol. Is it clear? So in the decimal system uses whole numbers to show the major sections and whole number followed by the decimals. Is it clear? And additional show subsections. So in this you are going to see that in the decimal system first level heading is written 1.0, second level heading written as a 1.1. Is it clear? So if third level is that you are going to write 1.1, 1.2.1. Is it clear? So this is the example here. I have clearly written here. First level heading, you are going to write it as a 1.0. Second level heading, you have to write it as a 1.1 and 1.2 and so on. Third level heading, here you have written it as a 1.2.1. If it is a fourth level, I have to write it as a 1.2.2.1. In the fifth level, so on, here I have written. So this is into the specific hierarchy, you just see it here. So this is here which you people are going to using the numbers to whole numbers to show the major sections, and these whole numbers is followed by the decimals and additional show subsections. Is it clear? So this is here all about this that is organizing the report information. Okay, so today we will stop it here. In the next class we are going for the nature and the extent of that particular the outline. Okay, thank you very much. So we'll stop it here.